Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ansari. Dear brothers, my topic is today. Was the Islam spread at gunpoint? Today I am going to tell you a secret that the Islam that has been shown to you till today was fake and false Islam. Quran totally rejects this Islam. Now I want to show you first the face of this fake Islam. I am giving you a verse below for your consideration. Quran says, قَاتِلُوهُمْ حَتَّى لَا تَكُونَ فِتْنَةٌ وَيَكُونَ الدِّينُ لِلَّهِ 2:93. And fight them until no more fitna and worshipping of others with Allah. And they interpreted this verse like this. Look, Allah's messenger said, I have been ordered by Allah to fight against the people till they testify that La ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. None has right to be worshipped but Allah, and that Muhammad is messenger of Allah. Brother, you have seen this verse and its interpretation given by them. This commentary proves that Islam was spread at gunpoint, at the basis of hooliganism, at the basis of badmashi, cruelty. No, not at all. Quranic Islam gives all mankind freedom of religion. This bans at violation of the people laws, the hooliganism, cruelty that have been being proved by the Quran. And further, I will prove in the next coming episode, inshallah. Wassalam.